dahil mapapalugaw ka. Joke lang. Ayun, yun lang ang masasabi ko lang ay stay pretty as you are, kind, ano pa ba, kalog, buang-buang, ano pa, unsa pa, basta lahat na nasa iyo. Tapos salamat din sa mga ano mo, sa mga help at ano mo sa kinikita mo, sa sharing mo, mapachapin man. Thank you very much and yun lang. At lagi lang mag-pray at pahinga rin minsan, paminsan-minsan. Pahinga, wag lang puro trabaho kasi alam mo naman yung buhay natin, ang trabaho walang katapusan, pero ang trabaho ang tatapos sa atin. Kaya lagi mong i-balance na wag puro pag sa tingin mo na nakakaramdam ka na ng pagod, pahinga rin kunti. Kasi nandyan lang naman yan. Pag mga suki mo na makakapag-antayan. Okay? Enjoy your day and God bless. Mwah! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Queen. I hope you have a great birthday. Many wishes to you. God bless you. Take care.
Birthday to Queen. Happy birthday to Queen. Happy birthday, Mariposa. Happy birthday.
Birthday, it's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I'm a clown and I live in a shoe. But it's happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama! We love you! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Irene.
Thank you!
Hi Irene, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo na bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday ni Papa God at good health every day kasama ang iyong pamilya. Stay pretty and God bless you always. Enjoy your day. Bye! Happy birthday!